This is a quick demo of WilloWare's new Stock Count Schedule window. This is a replacement for GP's Stock Count Schedule. We focused on performance improvements that make it work very quickly with large amounts of data. So this is the GP window on the right. The stock count has about 300 rows on it. You can see it takes maybe a couple of seconds to load. If you're working with a significantly larger amount of data, that is going to take a very long time. With the WilloWare window, that loads almost instantaneously. A couple of other tasks that take a long time in the GP window are starting the count and canceling the count. And coming over to the CompleteCount window, we'll start the count. That's it. It's already done. And then we'll cancel the count. Our window also has a neat filtering feature at the top. It does a contain search based on item number. It also uses bin and item description. And then the window integrates directly into our mass add utility, which is a significantly faster utility for adding items to the stock count compared to the GP's mass add utility. And then from our window you can directly print stock tags or send the count out to Excel.